Hello beautiful family. Today we are making some air fried turkey. If today is your first time stopping by, please consider becoming a part of this family. Like the videos and share to your friends and family. To start with, let's clean our turkey. Trim off all the unwanted parts. Shape it nicely. Let it look attractive. I always say this, we first eat with our eyes. Once that is done, go ahead and wash it with your lemon or lime. As you can see over there, I used a whole lemon. Clean it nicely and then wash it thoroughly to get rid of the lemon. Okay, now let's go ahead and season it. You can pat it dry a little bit. Yeah, I added my all-purpose seasoning, my basil and my ginger powder. You can use fresh ingredients. You can blend all of these. Yeah, and then I also added some freshly chopped red onions. Give it a mix. Go ahead and add salt to taste and pepper for a bit of cake, right? So I added a chili powder. Once again, please feel free to use the fresh versions of all of these, as in fresh pepper, okay, and blend them nicely. I went ahead to sterilize my sink. This is very important. Sterilize every kitchen utensil you use, okay? Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I allow this to marinate in the fridge overnight, and then the next day I transferred it into my pot, rinsed my bowl and added it, and I also added a little bit of salt. Okay, please, this is optional. I tasted mine and I felt like it needed a little bit, also because I added water. Okay, cover and bring this to a boil. After 10 minutes, believe me, this was done. Remember, it's going to continue cooking in the air fryer, so do not cook it too much. What do you intend to put on the Christmas table this Christmas? Let me know in the comment section. Transfer everything into your air fryer, line it with a parchment paper or anything that is good for you, alright? Then I set mine to 15 minutes. I later added 5 minutes, yeah? Checked on it, turned it or flipped it for the other side to also air fry. And for this is how our turkey is looking. You can pair this with your banku, with your jollof, with your wache. Add them to your stews. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.